Heart arrhythmia is considered a disease, or is it a warning and a danger signal? Continue watching the video to find out. I'm Dr. Gia Raymond, a complementary medicine specialist. When the heart rhythm deviates from normal, it is called heart arrhythmia. Normally, our hearts beat between 60 and 100 times per minute. But if it beats faster than that, it's called tachycardia. If it beats slower than 60, it's called bradycardia. Both are part of cardiac items that have their own specific causes and treatments. We will review the causes together. Severe anemia, which makes the heart unable to pump blood well to all parts of the body, with rapid palpitations, indicates that there is some anemia. With the treatment of anemia, the heart palpitations are also treated. Excessive consumption of unhealthy foods and drinks such as tea, coffee, which contain a lot of nicotine and caffeine, put a lot of pressure on the heart. Improper weight loss diets. A person goes on a diet, loses weight for a while, then leaves their diet, and then returns to their initial weight. Repeating these improper diets damages the heart, and the first sign of this is heart palpitations. Vitamin and nutrient deficiencies. For example, a lack of iron causes anemia and results in heart palpitations. So it is important that we have a diet that includes all food groups. The last issue, which is very important and more important than all the aforementioned cases, is anxiety and stress. If this video has been helpful to you so far, don't forget to like it. Many people need this information to solve their problem. Let's move on to treatments. Keeping calm is of great importance in treating this problem. Someone who is calm has a calm heart. Living in the past brings sorrow. Living in the future also stresses a person out. Lucky are those who live in the present moment and embrace it. It brings the best tranquility to a person. Therefore, having peace of mind is considered one of the ways to cure all illnesses. For someone with a racing heartbeat, one of the things that helps is using a series of herbal teas that restore their nervous system, such as using the rose hip. Our patients have experienced this, and after 1 or 2 weeks, they have seen the positive effects, meaning they no longer needed to use medication. Quince tea, orange blossom tea, and if available, musk willow tea. It greatly helps someone who has this problem, and because we have had many experiences in this matter, we emphasize this issue a lot. Using rose water is great. You can spray it on your pillow before sleeping, smell it, and also spray it on your face. Doing this 14 times a day brings a lot of peace to the person. Our patients usually remind us that they achieved better results with this method. Daily relaxation and exercise are necessary for people who have this problem. We suggest calm biking on smooth surfaces, calm walking, exercise and relaxation should be daily, and calm movements should be made on smooth surfaces. Walking in nature is the best thing to do. It gives you peace and removes negative energy while receiving positive energy. Every deep breath a person takes in nature detoxifies their body and improves heart function. Another recommendation we have for you is to walk on small stones barefoot, especially the ones near the river, as it strengthens blood flow, detoxifies organs, and is an extraordinary way of treatment. Fruits that can be used to strengthen the heart, especially for heart problems and palpitations, are apples, pears, and quince. You should take quince seriously and use it daily, as it is one of the best heart tonics. Black grapes are also good because they compensate for body nutrients and help people whose palpitations are due to a lack of vitamins. The next thing is that you can use black seed oil. Mix 1 unit of black seed oil with 1 unit of high-quality honey and have it on an empty stomach in the morning. This will strengthen the heart, and even those who have mitral valve prolapse can benefit greatly from it. If you don't have black seed oil, you can use black cumin seeds, crush them and mix them with honey, then consume a teaspoon of it on an empty stomach in the morning. In emergency situations, when someone is experiencing this problem, they should sit in a very calm state and control their thoughts. This is very important. They should shift their thoughts from negatives to positives. It means replacing negative thoughts with positive ones. Remember the sweet memories of their life. In emergency situations, they need to calm themselves down quickly and get themselves together and be in control of themselves. Or they can divert their thoughts to other matters. It means redirecting their focus away from that issue. And take 10 deep breaths calmly. This also helps them a lot, and rose water spray is excellent in emergency moments. Sometimes this heartbeat can be due to acid reflux. In emergency situations, you can chew an apple or use a cup of peppermint extract to control this problem. Someone whose heartbeat is due to anemia should definitely follow these points. You can use honey syrup for assistance. A syrup made of a quantity of rose water, a quantity of fresh lime juice, and high-quality honey. It quickly resolves anemia, and healthy blood is produced by drinking this honey syrup. Soak 7 figs in rosewater daily, which also relieves constipation. It compensates for micronutrients and vitamin deficiencies in the body. Eat 3 dates per day. Eat 7 olives with your meals and consume enough grapes. Consume fresh fruits, and the remedy that works best for anemia is the use of chickpea broth. It is also easy to cook. You can boil the chickpeas in water and add some spices. Add grated onion and let it cook completely. Using chickpea broth daily is great for curing all types of anemia. We will definitely share the complete video for curing anemia. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and saving this video. Share it with those who really need it.